certainly is. I couldn't agree more. And there's probably a third bus coming. You know what they say, you wait for ages and then three come at once. But you're right, Sal. For many of us, we are looking at a lovely day ahead, if you like the sunshine. Now, we're starting off with some patchy mist, some patchy fog as well. That will lift quite quickly. And then what we have is some sunshine coming through. Some of us are already starting with this, and thanks to Storm Chaser Al for that cracking picture. Today, high pressure is firmly in charge of our weather, so the weather is fairly settled. For some, it's a cloudy start. There are one or two showers dotted around, but for most, it is going to be dry. The bulk of the cloud is going to be across parts of Scotland and northeast England. Now, a lot of that will break up, but it could linger around Aberdeenshire, Moray, and also across Caithness. So the showers well scattered, fewer than we were looking at yesterday. You could catch the odd sharp one, but we're not expecting any rumbles of thunder. And these are our temperatures, 14 in the north to about 26 as we push down towards the south. Heading on through the evening and overnight, again, we'll have a bit more cloud across parts of Scotland, also northeast England, down towards the Midlands. Some hill fog embedded in that as well, but not a particularly cold night. Our overnight lows 9 to about 14 or 15 degrees. But in some sheltered western areas, temperatures could fall away to about 7 or indeed 8. So tomorrow we still have high pressure, very much in charge of our weather. Still a lot of settled conditions, fewer showers than today. We'll have an onshore flow coming in from the North Sea, so here it will be cooler, but we're tapping in to the warmer air coming in from the near continent. So on Thursday, we start off with all that overnight cloud, but it will tend to break. There'll be a few showers here and there, a lot of sunshine around, and you can see the breeze coming in from the North Sea across eastern parts of England. So here it will be that little bit cooler, but tomorrow we could easily hit 27 degrees somewhere across central southern England, 23 in Glasgow, 21 in Belfast, and 24 in Cardiff. Now, as we head on into Friday, well, it's a complicated picture, but essentially we've got two weather fronts coming our way, and both of them are going to bring some heavy and thundery rain pushing northwards and eastwards. There'll be a fair bit of cloud ahead of them coming in. Some of that cloud will be thick enough for some drizzle, and then here comes the first front, here comes the second, and the two of them could well merge. So the sunniest skies are likely to be across the north of Scotland, some parts of eastern England hanging on to the dry conditions and the sunshine as well. But one thing you'll notice about Friday is that it is going to turn more humid from the south. Top temperatures up to 26 degrees. Now, as we move from Friday into Saturday, this rain is going to continue to migrate northwards, and it's going to be a warm night. In fact, a very warm night. We might have what we call a tropical night, which is when temperatures in some places don't drop lower than 20 degrees. So it's going to be a very warm start to the day on Saturday. The rain moving steadily northwards, and then behind it we see a return to sunshine and just a few showers, breezy conditions. These are the temperatures, 15 to about 25 or 26. But one thing, Sal and John, is that it will feel fresher. And John too, didn't see there, John? He snuck in when I was doing the weather.
We're all slightly distracted by the promise of a tropical night. I love that. Friday, we'll look forward to it. Thank you.
Pina coladas on standby. Sounds good.